Imagine a place where the gentle lapping of water replaces the roar of traffic. This is Giethoorn, a real-life fairy tale in the Dutch province of Overijssel. Known as the Venice of the Netherlands, Giethoorn is smaller, greener, and much quieter. There are no roads, just canals, boats, and wooden bridges. Here, time slows down. You wander, you drift, you simply are. Welcome to Giethoorn, a peaceful escape where wonder takes over. The canals are the heart of Giethoorn, winding past lush gardens and under charming bridges. These waterways are the village's streets, connecting neighbors and leading to local shops. Gliding along in a small boat feels like floating through a dream. Every turn reveals a new, perfect scene. Over 170 wooden bridges connect the village's islands, each offering a unique view. From a bridge, you can pause and watch daily life unfold. Families dining, locals tending flowers. The bridges tie the community together, inviting you to explore and discover quiet corners. The houses are just as picturesque, traditional Dutch farmhouses with thatched roofs, surrounded by vibrant gardens. Hydrangeas, roses, and tulips burst with color, while manicured lawns add to the harmony. Every detail is carefully placed, creating a sense of peace and order. No loud ads or modern buildings disrupt the historic center. Even the boats are special. Many are whisper boats with silent electric motors, preserving the village's tranquility. The color palette is pure nature: green grass, brown roofs, blue water and sky. Giethoorn is designed for relaxation, letting the landscape's beauty speak for itself. It's a place where you can truly unwind and immerse yourself in the moment. Here, the simple things create the most lasting memories. In Giethoorn, life moves at the speed of a boat. For residents, the canals are essential. Groceries, visits, and daily routines all happen by water. Small boats are tied up outside homes, just like cars in other towns. Walking and cycling paths run alongside the canals, offering a different view of village life. The car-free environment fosters clean air, quiet, and a strong sense of community. Gardens blend seamlessly with the water, and neighbors chat across canals. Children play freely along grassy banks, and public spaces feel open and shared. This slower, more connected lifestyle is a reminder that simplicity can be rich and fulfilling. Visitors are invited to leave hurried habits behind and embrace a mindful way of traveling. In Giethoorn, you notice the small details: the light on the water, the sound of birds, the scent of fresh grass. It's not just a place to see, but a way of being. To truly understand Giethoorn, you must experience it with all your senses. Visually, it's a masterpiece. Endless greens, vibrant flowers, and perfect reflections in the water. The gentle lapping of water, the quacking of ducks, and the rustle of reeds create a peaceful soundscape. The air is fresh and clean, filled with the scent of blooming flowers and damp earth. Sometimes, you catch the aroma of a home-cooked meal drifting from a nearby house. Touch the cool canal water, feel the solid wood of a bridge, or the breeze on your skin. But the most important feeling is peace, a calm that settles over you as you explore. The stress of daily life melts away, replaced by wonder and connection. Giethoorn is a place where you can truly breathe. Here, tranquility isn't just a promise, it's a reality. The magic is in how it makes you feel, present, calm, and alive. The best way to experience Giethoorn is from the water. Rent a whisper boat and explore at your own pace. Even beginners can captain these silent electric boats, discovering hidden corners and taking in the scenery. For a traditional touch, try punting, a flat-bottomed boat you move with a pole just as locals did for centuries. Prefer to relax? Join a guided canal cruise and hear stories from a local guide. Exploring on foot is just as rewarding. The Binnenpad walking path takes you through the heart of the old village, over iconic bridges and past beautiful farmhouses. Stop at a waterside cafe for Dutch apple pie, or browse charming shops for local crafts. Walking lets you soak in the atmosphere and capture perfect photos. Don't miss exploring by bicycle. Rent one to see the countryside and nearby Weerribbenveen National Park. Flat, scenic cycling paths reveal the broader landscape and quieter corners. Pack a picnic, find a lakeside spot, or visit neighbouring villages. Combining boat, walk and bike gives you the full Giethoorn experience. Every adventure here is about slowing down and savouring the moment. In Giethoorn, every journey is its own reward. Giethoorn shines in every season. Summer brings lush gardens, blue skies, and lively canals, a joyful celebration of nature. Autumn paints the village in gold and red, with crisp air and misty mornings, creating a romantic, peaceful mood. Fewer visitors mean more tranquility and perfect moments for quiet walks and cozy cafes. In winter, the canals freeze, transforming the village into a magical ice rink where locals skate and snow dusts the thatched roofs. The stillness and stark beauty make it a true fairy tale. Spring awakens Giethoorn with blooming tulips, budding trees, and birdsong, a time of hope and renewal. Each season offers a new perspective, making Giethoorn worth visiting any time of year. The village transforms, but its magic remains constant. Whether you seek vibrancy or peace, you'll find it here. Giethoorn is a living canvas, ever-changing and always beautiful. No matter when you visit, you'll leave with unforgettable memories. Every season is a reason to return. Why visit Giethoorn? It's more than a pretty village. It's an escape into harmony between nature and community. The absence of cars, the reliance on water, and the stunning scenery create profound peace. Giethoorn isn't a theme park. It's a real living community shaped by its unique landscape. Meeting locals, watching mail delivered by boat, or seeing a waterside garden tended. These moments reveal a different way of life. The village's authenticity is its greatest magic. A visit here inspires you to appreciate nature, seek quiet, and embrace new experiences. Giethoorn reminds us that beauty thrives in simplicity and tradition. It encourages us to slow down, be present, and find magic in the everyday. If you enjoyed this journey, keep exploring. There are countless hidden gems waiting to be discovered. The world is a book, and Giethoorn is one unforgettable page. So keep dreaming, keep exploring, and let the journey continue. There's always another canal to wander, another story to find. In Giethoorn, wonder is just around the bend.